Okay, this is the fourth video in how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and at this point you should have a whole yellow face and this bottom layer solved. So this step is the edges. This is where it starts getting really algorithmic. I'm going to try and explain it in the simplest terms possible, but I will put algorithms so that you see what you're doing. So the goal of this step is to get the first two layers, or F2L, solved. And that's done by placing the corner and the edge. So, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to look for any of these middle layer edges in the top layer. So I see right here I have this blue-orange one, and I know that that goes right here. You're going to match up this color on the side with its center, kind of like when we did the cross. And then you're going to turn it away from where it goes using a U move. So in this case it's like that. Then you're going to do on the so you turn it away from you using a U move. Then you're going to do on the opposite side of the corner, or on the opposite side of the edge. So in this case my edge is on the right side, so I'm going to do on the L. You're going to do away from you, towards you, away from you. Then you're just going to place this corner back, so match up the color, and then do RUR. And that should solve this pair. I'll do it again with another pair. This is actually a good opportunity to talk about this case right here. We've got none of your middle layer edges in the top layer. They're all right here in the middle layer in a wrong spot. So the way you fix this is just put any random edge. So I'm just going to put this one here. So you do away from where it's going to go, and then opposite side of the edge, so in this case it's right, away from you, towards you, away from you, and match up this corner and put it back in. So now I've got this edge out here in the top layer where I can place it. So now I'm going to teach the algorithms for this. So you've got it matched up, and in this case it goes right here. So if it's going to the left, so it's going down this way, it's going to be U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, and then you're going to do cube rotation, which is, this is a Y primed. I didn't talk about cube rotations in my notation video. Cube rotations, there's X, Y, and Z. X rotates with the R layer. So if you see an X, you're going to rotate it just like you're turning the whole cube from the right side. So, right. If you see a Y, you're going to turn the whole cube like you were turning just the U layer though. So Y primed. And if you see a Z, you're going to turn it like you were turning the front face. So Z primed. Yeah. So we're working on this edge. So we have U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, Y prime, R, U, R prime. And then we have this edge over here. So now it's going down to the right. So yeah, the algorithm for this is the exact same thing except mirrored over here. So if you get the feel for it in your left hand, just do the same thing with your right hand. So U, R prime, U prime, Y, L prime, U prime, L. And then we have this final edge right here, and that's going down to the right, so it's U, R prime, U prime, Y, L prime, U prime, L. And then you should have this chunk solved. So I'm going to do an example solve of that step for you in slow motion. Again, the fast motion will be up here. So I'm just going to get my cross and my corners placed real quick. Cross. Corners. Green. Okay. So now, here we go. Oh wow, that's really interesting. I thought I had a soft cube. If you caught that in there, I inserted the wrong edge into here. And so I fixed it just by inserting the right one. But, yeah. So, your cube should look... Ignore my top layer, because that is actually really lucky. But your cube should now have this block going around the whole cube. And so this next video I'm going to teach you how to get this top face. So yeah.